So here is it, presenting the Xiaomi Beard Trimmer 2 for the Beard Gang. We bring you the perfect grooming experience in this sleek and compact matte black design. The improved design and perfect ergonomics also packs a powerful thermal insulated motor and a durable casing. Look at how amazing it looks in my hand. To add more to the design, we took a step back to assess how we can really improve the experience of using trimmers. Have you always been bothered by the LED light indication? Not really sure if you have enough charge for a quick trim? Well, we hear you, and we have got you covered. The Xiaomi Beard Trimmer 2 comes with an LED battery display that tells you exactly how much percentage of battery life is on your trimmer. Now, no more worries about running out of charge without you knowing it. The Xiaomi Beard Trimmer 2 also comes with a smooth external rotary dial that makes it easy to operate with a single hand while you shape that amazing mane. Accessories in the grooming category still uses a 2-point connector or micro USBs for charging. We just add another charger. It was high time we included the trimmer to the universal scheme of charging. To provide the best experience and functionality, the Xiaomi Beard Trimmer 2 comes with universal Type-C charging. Now, you can charge your trimmer the same way you charge your smartphone. How cool is that? Now we understand how important a trimmer can be. The Xiaomi Beard Trimmer 2 has a quick charging functionality, where 5 minutes of charging can give you up to 12 minutes of cordless runtime, which is good for a quick trim to keep you looking sharp. The Xiaomi Beard Trimmer 2 also supports both corded and cordless usage. Now don't worry about squeezing in a trim before an impromptu meeting or an online date. You can completely charge the trimmer in just 2 hours and get cordless usage of up to 90 minutes. Isn't that great? Now I'll let you in on a personal secret. I always find it difficult to remove the blade head and brush it, making sure that there is no water near it. But need not worry, the Xiaomi Beard Trimmer 2 comes with an IPX7 rating. That's right, it comes with a fully washable body that makes it easier to keep it clean as well. Now just dunk the whole trimmer into water to wash it. Seriously, try it. The Xiaomi Beard Trimmer 2 can also be your companion while you travel for work or for play. We have equipped the Xiaomi Beard Trimmer 2 with a travel lock that keeps your trimmer and battery safe while you travel with it. Speaking about travel, the Xiaomi Beard Trimmer 2 comes with a travel bag, a cleaning brush, and a USB-C cable in the box. Now coming to what makes any trimmer your beard bro, the blades. It also comes with a precision-driven blade design that rotates at 6,000 blade movements per minute, which gives you an even, skin-friendly trimming at all times. The Xiaomi Beard Trimmer 2 also comes with blade protection and 2 combs that help you manage your trimming settings. This gives the trimmer 40 length settings with 0.5 mm precision, a Xiaomi standard that has been well received by our fans. Now rock your beard style with the baddest beards to the subtle stubbles. Isn't that something? Now coming to what you all have been waiting for, the price. The Xiaomi Beard Trimmer 2 is priced at only Rs 1,999. But wait, there's more. The bigger the season, better the reason to give you value for your money. The Xiaomi Beard Trimmer 2 will be available at an introductory price of only Rs 1,799 in the upcoming festive season. Isn't that super amazing? So where and when can you buy the all-new Xiaomi Beard Trimmer 2? The availability details are on your screen right now.